help expand on all this pleasure is a tantra practice. It's not even a practice, it's like encouraged like through these self-pleasure, through your sex practices with a partner, is breath, sound, and movement. So breathing deep belly breaths, exhaling from the mouth. So why we do that? So the breath is our life force energy, but deep belly breaths, expansion of the belly, it actually helps to regulate our nervous system. When we have a regulated nervous system, we feel safe within the body. And safety is key for us to be engaging in self-pleasure or sex session. The more safe we feel, the more relaxed we feel. The more relaxed we feel, the more pleasure we can feel.